Several dozen protesters charged through Columbus Circle, demanding the removal of Officer Daniel Pantaleo, who they claim is responsible for the death 5 years ago of Eric Garner.
No justice! Help me!
As the group marched along the street, some got out of hand. Police moved in, made at least 4 arrests. As one group chanted its anger uptown, another disrupted a meeting of the Charter Review Commission at City Hall.
Mike check! Mike check! I am Eric Garner! I said no justice! No peace!
About 40 activists interrupted a meeting that was to determine 20 questions to be placed on the November ballot, including questions about the Civilian Complaint Review Board.
We want the Civilian Complaint Review Board to be replaced with a community-based elected Civilian Review Board by City Council district that will have the power to prosecute criminal behavior of police.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Members of the Charter Commission sat patiently as demonstrators overwhelmed the City Council chamber and finally decided to leave the room.
Shame on you!
I understand the passion that people feel about this issue, and that many of them feel that it did not go as far as they would have wanted. But we believe we have gone as far as the law would allow us to go.
The Charter Commission said it did review the issues, but a Civilian Complaint Review Board that would be elected is out of the question for now.
What they're proposing is an elected board in every neighborhood. I mean, it's just unworkable.
Once the protesters left the City Council chamber, members of the Charter Commission returned to outline the questions that will appear on the November ballot. In the end, they decided there will be no change to include a question of whether or not there should be an elected Civilian Complaint Review Board. At City Hall, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.